it. Hello, kids. Welcome back to our alphabet adventure. Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Great. Look at the board. This is the letter L. Can you see the big, colorful L? L, 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 L. Now, let's see what words start with the letter L. Look, what's this? It's a big, brave lion. Roar. L is for lion. Can you say lion? Lion. Good job. And what's this? It helps us see when it's dark. It's a lamp. But L is for lamp. Can you all say lamp? Lamp. Well done, everyone. One more. What's this pretty green thing from a tree? It's a leaf. L is for leaf. Let's say it together. Leaf. Fantastic. Let's review. L is for lion, lamp, and leaf. You all did an amazing job today. Goodbye, kids. See you next time for more fun with letters. Don't forget to ask your parents to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye.